Hey guys, Gary with Barnes Life Georgia edition. Today I'm gonna get to put my metal up on my lean-to for my sawmill. Was able to get this metal yesterday in Rome, Georgia at Georgia Metal Center, I think's the name of it. Most places had a week, at least a week lead time. So when I found these guys and they said they could have it the next day, I jumped all over it. So check where your metal places and incorporate that into your building schedule. But I'm gonna go ahead and start breaking this loose and throw my first piece up there and see if I can get it square and figure out how I'm gonna get this thing centered up on there. So I'm not sure if I showed y'all the completed framework here, but anyway, those are 1x4s, of course, and my brother-in-law Brian and I put all that up, and he helped me finish hanging some more of the ceiling joists. But we spaced those out evenly at 22 inches, and it took it took 16 of them. 16 1x4 by 16 feet long. I have this temporary post right here, well, 2x4. I think I'm gonna take another 4x4 and put right here in the center of this one. This is a double. And I think by doing that, it'll take the little bit of sag that I had right here out of it. What do y'all think? I thought about doing a 4x4 here on the center, attaching it here with a hinge and letting it be movable so that I can hinge it, swing it up out of the way and tie it up, load a log on the sawmill, and then put it back down, and it would support. Still not sure. I may add another 16-footer across the center right there just to add a little strength to that. What do y'all think? But anyway, that's what it looks like from down here. Jump up here on this ladder. Show you what I'm doing up here if I don't fall down and bust my butt. Show you what it looks like from up here. So, only reason I did this block right here is this 1x4 was bowed up. So I added that and screwed it down in two places. Got it flat. I didn't want my metal humped up right there. But that's basically it right there. Definitely not a professional roofer, so I'm learning as I go here. Hey guys, just finished getting all that up on there. Can't really see it too good unless you get way back, but came out all right. Had a good helper. Lisa was my helper today. And I'll show you what it looks like underneath. So this is, it fell a little longer than I wanted it to. But if I cheat it in, it'll be way too short. So I think I'm just gonna possibly leave it like that, or maybe sister another board, a short length of board to make that not sag like that. Tell me what y'all think about that. Would you leave it, or would you try to, you know, shore it up a little bit better? Anyway, looks pretty, it's pretty straight. There's a couple of inconsistencies because of the way it fit up against the barn. Those boards up against the barn are cupped a little bit, and I'm sure this thing isn't 100% square, but it wasn't that bad really. And for what I'm using it for, I'm okay with it. I'm not a carpenter. I'm not a professional carpenter. I am total amateur rookie.
I think it looks great.
Say that again?
I think it looks great.
Thank you. So that's gonna be the new home for the sawmill. And it's kind of dark up under here.
It is.
But in the summertime, I guess.
Well, it's getting to be evening too.
Yeah, the evening. But in the summertime, we'll appreciate the shade for sure, because it gets hot. But it came out good. I like it. Just got a few finishing touches. I'm gonna add a few more bolts to this ledger board right here, and then I think once I'm done with that, the only other thing is maybe a post right here to help support that, because I've got a little bit of sag in this beam right here, and it's either put a post right there, and hinge it so I can pick it up, put a log in.
I think that's the better choice.
Yeah.
Because you're gonna have your sawmill right
Yeah, I think I want to leave the underneath the shed.
here open.
Phone just went. So my phone went out a while ago, and come back out here to finish that up. But I think I want to leave this lean-to open so that I can get my sawmill in and out, and anything else. If I want to stack some lumber over here, I can. But just want to make sure we keep the rain off the sawmill as much as possible, and I believe this will do it. So another project almost complete. We just gotta, like I say, I think we'll put a post 4x4 right here and let it hinge up out of the way. And I'm gonna scab another 16-footer, I think, on the front of that beam. That'll help it, probably help strengthen it up some. All right. So this is some bonus footage of my neighbor Jason and his L3901 Kubota tractor moving this log for me up by where the sawmill's gonna be. The audio in this particular clip is bad because I had my tractor running and I was on it just in case we needed it to help get it up there. But he was able to get it up there. He just couldn't lift it any higher with his tractor right here. So please forgive me on the audio portion of this particular clip. And we're going to cut that log up at some point and see what kind of boards we can get out of that. Right here I had to use a log dolly to get it up our driveway. The log was too wide to fit between all the trees right there. So that's what you're looking at, that green log dolly there. And Jason's pushing it up through there for me. Slow but steady. Hey everybody. So today's the next day, and after I got the metal up on the lean-to, I'm gonna go ahead and hook the sawmill up and try to get it under here and get it situated where I want it to be and see how it goes. So I'll get y'all set up. I guess I'll go ahead and put it on time lapse so it won't be such a long video, but hope y'all enjoy it. Okay, so got it in here. Looks pretty straight, I think. And just gotta level it, dial it in, make sure it's level and plumb, and then we'll be ready to start cutting some logs. Man, it feels good to get to this point. Been waiting for a while. This is my LM30 Norwood band sawmill, and I think I just got one 4-foot extension to it, if I remember right. It's been so long since I put it together. I have cut some stuff on it before, but it required me pulling it out here in the open, setting it all up, cutting what I need to cut, and get it all put back up, broke down and put back up. Here's the stuff that I've already done right after I got it. Hey guys, I really appreciate y'all watching all my videos. Hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and we'll catch you on the next one.